Hello YouTubers, today we are doing pork burnt ends. It's a 4 pound, I think that's what the wife said. Got it at a local butcher shop. She cut 1/2 wide strips all the way down, as you can see. And she is cutting about inch thick, hopefully square. She's doing a fine job. Fine job. Then we're gonna coat them with some of this stuff. The cow cover beef dry rib. Award winner. Stay tuned. I'll show you when they go on the smoker. Alright, we got them cut. Let them set for about 15 minutes. We got them on the Green Mountain pellet grill. Got it set for about 275. Alrighty, well here's the halfway. We're gonna add some brown sugar. Sprinkle over the top. We're gonna add a full stick and a half a stick of butter. And then we're going to glaze it all with honey and throw it back on the smoker for about 1.5 hours, somewhere around there. Stay tuned. We'll show you the last step, and they look yummy, yummy, yummy. There is the end result. Yummy, nice and tender.